A car maintenance application for Android is a digital tool designed to help vehicle owners manage the upkeep and servicing of their cars effectively. These apps provide a range of features that assist users in tracking maintenance schedules, recording service history, and monitoring vehicle performance. The best car maintenance applications are known for their user-friendly interfaces, comprehensive databases, and the ability to send reminders for upcoming services. Many of these applications allow users to log details such as oil changes, tire rotations, and other routine maintenance tasks, helping to ensure that vehicles remain in optimal condition. Some top apps also offer features like fuel tracking, expense tracking, and diagnostic tools that can help users identify potential issues before they become significant problems. Additionally, many car maintenance apps provide resources such as articles, tips, and recommendations for local mechanics or service centers. Overall, the best car maintenance applications empower users to take proactive control of their vehicle's health, ultimately enhancing safety and reliability, while potentially saving money on repairs by promoting timely maintenance. By leveraging technology, these apps simplify the management of car care, making it easier for users to stay organized and informed about their vehicles.